Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amabanjo on the TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 3, Zambia 1. I'm joined by my brother Kamabanu Puma Upi. Tawa.
Ubule uboma jamathatha amabini nje awuyalazi Zikhali stadium yini paper 2 paper 2 paper 2 umfundo Estibo ela play inkulu ngwena hayi ngweni play inkulu la ekhala laba ngena Tebza wena imlomuntu Kosi uthi umadala kashi umbule aletha uvilakazi
and then we are survivor all over South Arabia, South Africa. TTC, under 17, under 19, man of the match,
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?